How to put YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status without link. Hi everyone, if you want to share your favorite YouTube Shorts as a WhatsApp status without using a link, in this video we have got you covered and we are going to show you how to download the video or upload it as your WhatsApp status in just few easy steps. So let's just get started. First of all, launch the YouTube application on your phone and find the short that you want to share. For example, this one right here. So when you tap on the share icon right here, you can easily find the WhatsApp section here on the share icon. So you don't need to copy link. You can directly go to the WhatsApp and wait for it to load in your WhatsApp. So when you reach here, you can find my status option. Just go ahead and tap on it and tap on this arrow icon at the bottom right and click on send. And that should probably do it. Close your YouTube application after that. Head over to your WhatsApp and look for the status that you have just updated. And when you tap on it, you can find your status there. So that is how you share your YouTube status, YouTube link on WhatsApp without using the link. So that is how you do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and for more social media tips. And see you next time.